His name is...
Mom, I got a new job!
Without discussing it with your family?
Why not? Let's watch up, Mouse.
Somebody ought to build a town that works.
Let's watch this.
Extra money, and this house is falling apart.
Hello, I am not interested in it, but please.
Ma'am, where are the... Hey, you like those moccasins? There's a pair for you.
Maggie's enjoying her swingamajig.
Very casual, Mr. Scorpion.
Don't call me Mr. Scorpion.
Yes, Mr. Scorpion.
Don't call me that.
Mr. Scorpion.
We don't believe in scorpions.
All right.
3, 2,
right.
3, 2.
All right.
2.
Bart is the newest addition to our menagerie. You have the honors. You never learned to curse.
Well, I know hell and damn and... Frank. We're behind the rest of our class, and we're going to catch up to them by going slower than they are. Cuckoo. This is out.
Watch this.
Headshot.
Frank. My eyes are burning.
It's up to you, Homer. Whatever you decide, that's what we'll do.
Do. Aw, honey, do. You got a problem, Mr. Scorpion. It's just a lot of little things.
Life.
Must be the color